In this video, I will show you why you are so good at drawing those headshots, but when it's the time to draw some hands or a cool background, you just fail. Have you ever asked yourself, wow, I'm so good at drawing this, but at the same time I suck so hard at drawing this other thing? Well, I got the answer for you today, champ. It's pretty simple. And I want you to remember this for the eternity. I want you to remember this always. Your art skill will be equal as your biggest weakness. In other words, it doesn't matter if you're so good at drawing hair or fur. If you don't know how to draw other things, how to adapt, how to improve by the tools that you have right now, you still need a long road to go. Just like working out, you can get a huge biceps or triceps, but if you skip your leg day always, your body is still going to get easily hurt. Because your arms are big, but your legs and your hips are fragile. Are you going to pick those heavy weights on your arms, but your legs cannot handle it? Your hips cannot handle it. It's easy for you to break a bone. So that's what is happening with your drawing. You're getting really great at a certain thing, but then you try to get out of your comfort zone, boom! You just can't make it. Because you are not studying the fundamentals, you're still in a big, let's say, circle of habit of only drawing the same thing and filling your ego or your happiness with, oh, I know how to draw this, oh, I know how to draw this, and you keep only doing this and this and this, and you get excellent at drawing that certain headshot as an example. But what about the background? What about those realistic shadows and light? What about those cute little doggies? Or anime, or cartoon, all the other things. A professional artist must understand how to draw all the things, all the art styles. Not only one. It's good that if you just want to draw anime art, okay, go and just draw anime art. But you need to understand how other types of artwork happens, you need to understand what is the process, what's the different feature that you're gonna have in a realistic style and a semi-realistic style, or which the art style that you are going to find, or some kind of concept art to a game, all those things you need to think of. Something that will help you to improve a lot is to always think active while drawing. Okay, I see that light is touching here, so the other side is going to be shadow, or just understand the place that the bones and the muscles are going to be, so you are going to understand, oh, okay, this shape is the one that is going to work in this creature, or this background, all the type of things that you are doing. You need to be all the time thinking. If you're just drawing and thinking about what you are going to eat on, I don't know, breakfast, I don't think you're really doing your best, You are like in automatic mode, and you need to get out of this automatic mode. If you can just keep evolving and being focused, real-time present, you are going to improve so much faster. And there is not a lot of artists that can do this, because most of them passes like 5 minutes and they are already on some kind of Instagram post, they are already replying to a friend, they are already trying to see some kind of memes in the YouTube or TikTok. You need to keep your mind clear and with focus, chaps. As an example, I'm a furry artist, and people tend to think that because I draw animals, fluffy animals, I'm not able to draw humans, I'm not able to do a cool background, I'm not able to draw an amazing battle or something like it. And that's completely wrong. It all depends on your ability to adapt and improve. As an example, I have been drawing anime, as I got some anime videos in my channel, you can check here. I can draw them! And you can draw animals and backgrounds too. It's not a thing that is never going to change. You can always adapt and change, champs. So every time that you remind yourself, oh, I'm not good at drawing a certain thing, you're not that bad at drawing that certain thing, like hands. You're bad at understanding the fundamentals, the basic fundamentals of art. And you need to understand which fundamental are you sucking at. Is that anatomy? Is that perspective? Is that shadows and light? Is that gesture? Ask yourself and find it, because the sooner you find it, the sooner you are going to be able to fix that and improve your art and just keep evolving like a beautiful creature. Heck yeah! And of course, you cannot just see this video and go back to your things and think that nothing happened. You need to test yourself, put action it. So I want you to comment here below what's the thing that you suck drawing, and which fundamental that you're sucking at. That's not really the body part or the background, all those things. What did you learn from this video that you saw? Oh, okay, the real thing that I'm bad is at drawing composition, is at drawing gradients, making gradients, at shadows, light. So right now in the comments that I wanna know what you guys need more help, and I want to make another video on how to help you guys with this certain fundamental. And if it was helpful for you, remember to share with your friends that really need that. They really need that little push to go forward in life. Do it! Well, the last thing that I can say right now about the artwork that you are looking at is that I got inspired by an artist called Apterus, A-P-T-R-U-S. He's so cool, he likes to draw dead people. And he uses a lot green and purple. And what I did, I adapted to try those things, to try new things. I was going to draw this artwork making all anime colorful style, but no, I wanted to make a mix of all kind of colors. I didn't use basically skin colors like going from brown to pink to light pink. I used like yellow, brown, but like extremely saturated yellow. Green, I used a lot of green, purple, all those colors that you don't normally see in a more semi-realistic art style. But this works as fuck, so try it if you want to. I'm going to make all my artwork with this effect, I love it. And I'm trying right now some gradients only in grayscale, not using colors, and after that I will be coloring. It's really good if you want to improve your painting abilities and your composition abilities. So you're going to see, oh, this thing's in the background and this one is closer, so I'm going to do you more lighter and you darker. I really recommend you trying out this type of thing to paint. Oh, and if you're still here and haven't left a like, please leave the like button right now. I know you like the content, I know you want more. Comment the comments, what do you want to see? Comment the comments, what do you want to see here? And if you want to be a real-time moment with me, I will be live streaming every Wednesday and Sunday at 7 p.m. GTM time. Just go into my Twitch account, you can have the link down in the description. And that's it for today, champs. I hope you had a great time, a great evening, a great night, a great life. And I will be seeing you the next episode. Bye bye, champs! You awesome!